Hello and welcome to Gotstockz. Today is Thursday, February 27th, 2025. The market is getting smoked and it's over for Tesla. So where is Tesla going to go? So we're going to take a look at Tesla. We're going to look at some support and resistance areas and where we can buy or short the stock, go into some options. If we want to trade this thing, let's just take a look. Let's get rid of this guy. We're currently looking at a 5-year weekly chart. The stock is in a major downdraft. We've hit an all-time high of 488.54 that was established on December 16th of 2024. That's going to be resistance going forward. And then we have a lower high here. So we're in a current downdraft. We're going to have some support in these areas. But what we want to do now is we're going to go into a 1-year daily chart. Each candle represents one day. When we zoom in, what I want you to look at are these gaps. Gaps get filled. And when they don't get filled, they eventually get filled. It could be a year later, it could be a week later. No one knows, but they're going to get filled. But let's take a look and see where we're at in reference to these gaps. Well, we're currently closing in on 275.62, but we have a major gap here. But the low of that gap is going to be 255.28. So that's going to be a level of entry because this stock should stall at 275.62, but we really want it to go down and fill that gap at 255.28. But then we have another gap at 242.65 that was established, and the low of that gap is 219.32. Unfortunately, that gap's going to get filled also, but we don't know when that's going to happen. It can be a month from now, it could be a week from now, it could be a flash crash. Nobody knows. As you can see from the top of 488.54, a couple of months later, we're heading into these gaps. You can use these as benchmarks when you want to trade this stock. If you're trading options, you can look at selling some puts with a strike price of 255, strike prices at 219. Long term, I think Tesla is a great company. It's a great stock. It's just a very volatile stock, and it always has been and probably always will be, at least for the short term anyway. The key to success in this industry is to manage your risk. You want to learn candlestick charting, you want to look at the volume levels, you want to look at the moving averages. These are key areas that you want to pay attention to. Hope this was helpful. God bless and happy investing.